Today I'm going to show you how to make simple miso marinated salmon. To make the marinade, we start off with miso. We're using a half cup of miso, granulated sugar, liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce, and then sake. This is going to be blended up well by hand, and then we take our salmon fillet, cut it into approximately 4 8-ounce fillets, cover it well with the marinade, make sure it's completely coated, cover it with plastic wrap and set it in your fridge. After 24 to 48 hours, take it out, scrape off some of the excess, and it is ready to go in your oven at high heat. Make sure that you are keeping an eye on it, turning it regularly because this will brown and broil very quickly. Remove it once it has reached the desired internal temperature that you want. And this can be paired with whatever sides you want. Today we're pairing it with a kale salad and some steamed rice. This is super easy, absolutely delicious, and I hope you enjoy.